As you can see in the title, in this video we are going to learn chords of Unstoppable song by Sia. Such a positive, such a powerful song, and it feels so good to listen to this song, and at the same time it is a very beautiful composition as well. So to play this song we are going to need a few chords. Let us quickly see those. The first chord that we will need to play this song is E minor. Secondly, we will need a very simple chord, C. The next chord that we will need to learn this song is D. The next chord that we need in this song is G. One more chord, which is a bar chord, that we will need is B minor, B major as well. First, make sure you know how to play all of these chords. Once you are sure that you know all of these chords, then you are ready to go to the strumming pattern. First of all, I'll play the strumming pattern with E minor chord, and the strumming pattern is like this: down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Take a while, pause this video, practice this strumming pattern with single chord first, and then come back to this video. Once you feel confident with the strumming pattern, now let us practice the strumming pattern a little bit faster, and we will use E minor, C, G and B minor, these four chords, which is the intro part of this song as well. So let us do these four chord circles for 2 times. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice this for a while, and then we are ready to go to the chords of this song. So first of all, the intro part is, as you already know, these four chords we have to repeat twice, and then the song part starts. You will see the chord chart on the screen, as well as if you want to have it in your device, you can just click on the link mentioned in the description to see the chord chart. So let's start with the first part of this song, which is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll smile, I know what it makes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down, all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Leave my sunglasses on while shed a tear. It's never the right time. Before starting the next part, first we have to strum the C chord, and then we have to start singing. So let's continue from the previous chord, which is B minor, and then play the remaining part of the song. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so confident, I'm unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today, unstoppable today, unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today, unstoppable today, unstoppable today, unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable. For playing the second verse of the song, you just exactly have to repeat the same chords, which I think you are smart enough to figure out. That's it for today's video, guys. See you in the next video. If you have any specific song request or you want to learn the chords of any specific song, then please do write me in the comment section, and also let me know how did you find the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.